Today's February 18th, 2018. Going to be putting an in-ground lifetime basketball goal up. I haven't seen too many videos on YouTube, so we're going to try to document this a little bit. Got the hole dug. It is 21 inches in diameter and 24 inches deep. We have bricks in the bottom to hold up the lifetime sleeve. See right there is the gist of it. After you put the bricks in, it should be about 16 inches. So it's going to be level with the playing surface. And right here, we're using a lifetime sleeve, and we're putting in the bottom pole into that lifetime sleeve. We're going to later take that out and put cement in it. Alright, what we're doing right now, we're mixing the cement and the wheelbarrow. We already put some cement in the hole. And it's important that this is going to be, this ruler right here through the slot, it's important that it's going to mimic your playing field. So make sure, even though this driveway kind of curves, we're going to just put it where it needs to be. Also, that clamp ring right there, that's got to go to the back. We're facing away from the playing field. And of course, we're going to have to make it level. As we put more cement, that will take care of that. We've got the cement poured, we got the post set up. We've got it as straight as we can get it. The last bag of cement, we put too much water in it, so that's why it looks so soupy. Just kind of keep in mind that. Right now, the idea is we're just going to let it sit, and once it sets up, we're going to take that post out and fill it up with cement. What we did is half a bag of cement mixed up, kept this on its side, put in cement at the bottom of this with cement. It's probably about this full. Put the piece of rebar up through the center. That kind of kept the rebar in place, bars not being on one side. Put the cap on, set it up on its end, pour cement in through the top, all the way to the, if you can see it there, all the way just below this slot. Now what we're going to do is set up, and we'll be ready to go.
All right, this is the end product and the end result after we got everything done. Right here is the sleeve where it's actually in the cement, and this post right here actually has cement in it, and it's poured up to the can't see it, but there was slots on the top of this pole, and it's filled with cement about up to here. And then the rest of the basketball goal was put together and put on top of that. There's a bolt right there that actually, see if we can get a closer shot. You loosen that up and you can turn this basketball goal to point the backboard where you want it, or you can remove the whole goal itself. I guess that's the whole purpose of the sleeve. If you didn't have the sleeve, this post would be inserted into the cement, and it would be cemented in, and you wouldn't be able to move it. So the basketball goal does give a little bit when the ball is shot at the rim, and I'm going to show you the leeway of the rim. So stand over here and throw the ball at the backboard like you're shooting. So as you can see, there is a little bit of leeway on that. You know, whether it be tighter if you didn't use the sleeve, it could be, but that's it. Lifetime basketball goal.